Hi, in front of me is NOKIA C20 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Nokia. Firstly, access settings and tap on apps and notifications. Then choose advanced over here, click on permission manager and pick one of the options like location. After that, select an app. I will go with maps. Then pick one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back I can set maps, gain access to my device location. But you can also tap on one of your apps, choose see all maps permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!